You will be amazed by this 2013 Hyundai Veloster. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Connect with the road in cutting-edge style in this heart-pounding Hyundai Veloster. Unique three-door hatchback configuration, lively cornering, aggressive performance, and driver-focused design heighten your driving pleasure in this unconventional sport compact. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the opportunity to take this vehicle out for a test drive. Our team will give you an outstanding customer experience. Stop in today.